Scott, and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today, we're going to take a look at the Smart Deadbolt lock from our friends at Energizer Connect. This is designed, obviously, for your home or office, anywhere you have a deadbolt. It gives you the ability to open with a lot of options. Unlike a lot of the smart ones, it gives you physical options as well, which I think regular viewers of ours know is essential for me. We saw this in action at CES this year. We spoke with Energizer Connect about this product and a couple others, including some of the other unboxings that we have out there. But let's take a closer look at what comes with the product when you receive it. So we are going to start here on the side and open it up. There is a nice swing open box design. Always like that. We're going to start with our important one. This here is a cutting guide in the event your door does not already have a deadbolt that you are replacing, but instead adding one. This one here will allow you to place on the door, cut your holes so that you get everything spaced correctly, which is, of course, an essential part of installing a door, or a door lock, I suppose, on a door. Here we have our quick start guide. Our friends at Gem Global always provide a very detailed quick start guide. You will notice that this one's a little different than normal. It's bigger because this product does a whole lot more than, say, the lights that we opened recently or any of the monster products that we've had. This product line does a whole lot more and is going to be in charge of security for your home. So we want to make sure we get everything right, so that book is a little bigger than normal. We have some bags and things, so let's look at our bags and things. Here we have 2 physical keys. They are very different to a traditional cut key. I really like the design of these. They look more like a car key, the valet key. If you have a key fob, these look a lot more like that, which is kind of cool. Those tend to be pretty secure. Here we have another feature of this lock that I really like. These are key fobs that you can touch to the door to also unlock it. This is nice if you don't want the key, things like that. You know, cascading backups. Backups for backups, as we like to say here at the company from a former team member. Now we have a box. Let's take out the box. Inside here we have all the things that you would expect. We have our hardware, our kick plates. So this is our actual installation hardware. This is the stuff that makes the door lock. And then, if this is anything like the ones we've reviewed before, these 2 pieces here will be our actual deadbolt. So we have 2 pieces, one for the inside, and then this one here will be for the outside. All right. Trying to keep these pieces together best I can. All right. So we have our inside and our outside. Obviously, this piece goes on the inside of the door. This is how you will physically lock and unlock the door from the inside. It will also move digitally with the locking and unlocking of the deadbolt itself. So here are the pieces that we have and the things that we will need to learn. We have got a fingerprint scanner here and or here. The other one is likely the key fob receiver. Somewhere in here we will have, There's our key fob receiver. It's actually labeled. Somewhere in here, obviously, we will have a physical key slot, though I don't know where that might be at the moment. I wanted to give that a try. Ha! That is magnetic and pops out, so we can put our cool looking key in and turn it. And then you pop that back on, and unless you know the lock, which I do, and I still didn't know, is your your hidden key slot. So that's cool. So fingerprint scanner here, key fob here, physical key here. I don't know if there are more ways. Actually, from the phone itself, you have the ability to unlock it. I don't know if there's any other. Let's see. Fingerprint reader, app control, keypad. So there will be a pin pad on here that actually shows up in this piece up here. You can actually see it pretty well in the photo there. Oh, you can see it better on the front. So there's your pin pad that'll show up. Hopefully this will work like some of the other ones where it'll make you put in some fake numbers first before you then also put in the real one, so your fingerprints will wear evenly across the screen. So where were we? Fingerprint, app control, keypad, 2 key fobs, and 2 physical keys. So lots of ways to get in and out of this door. This one, unlike the one that we reviewed before, actually uses a rechargeable battery. And interestingly, it recharges on the outside, not on the inside, which is a surprise to me. There's a USB-C port there on the bottom of the piece that goes outside. I would have designed it to put it on the inside, but not how this one's designed. So that's what it comes with. Let's see how much we can accomplish without physically installing this on a door. Let's grab some power and see what we can do. All right, so let's plug it in. Now we've got our keypad showing. That's nice. I don't know what she just said to me. It's interesting. Okay, so let's see if we can pair this. We're going to start on the home screen of the Energizer Connect app. We're going to hit the plus sign in the top right corner. We will then hit Add Device. There are 2 possibilities of what you will see here. If your device is in pairing mode, which it should be, you will see Discovering Devices, and it will show you the device. So we're going to go through that path here. We're going to hit Add, and it's going to automatically bring up it's talking you through it. You can come in once it's added, and we can give it a name and say where you're putting it. We're going to say that we're going to put it on the side door of the garage. We're going to hit Finish. You'll now see that the app has updated what it's called. We'll hit Done, and that will bring us to the actual door controls. From here, we have the ability to do things like slide to unlock. No idea what that was about. Probably because the electronics are not together. It just freaked out. You can also tell it to lock in the same manner. There is a operations log, which is really nice. It will tell you what was done and how it was done. So this is showing that I unlocked it via Bluetooth, which is cool. You can sort that as well. You can create you can do member management. So you can add yourself and other fingerprints, for example. You can assign probably the key fobs to people who are supposed to have controlled access. The physical keys, I assume, are going to be open access. You can create smart scenes. They have a door lock alarm scene that... Oh, so if somebody tries to do the fingerprint or something like that and it fails, you can get notifications about that. Very cool. Accessories management. I don't know what the accessories might be. We'll have to do some research on that. You can create temporary codes, which is nice. So if you've got a guest coming, you can set a code that they can come and go as they please for a couple days and then terminate the code. Then there's more down here: two-factor authentication, remote voice unlock, code-based verification is required to unlock the door with a Google speaker. It's an interesting feature, but doesn't seem great. You can change the opening direction, so depending on which side of the door it's on, probably. It's got a doorbell built into it. And you can choose your doorbell ring chime. Pretty cool. That must mean that maybe you can talk through it? No telling. These are features that we did not discuss during CES this year. And we will definitely be exploring more as we get a little deeper into the capabilities of this device. Obviously, this product is entirely new to us. We have not seen it ourselves in the wild. We saw it at CES this year. But we will be doing a full review coming soon. To see that review and a bunch more, you can go to PLUGHITZlive.com/reviews. Plus, the link for that will be added to this video description once it's published. For other unboxing videos like this one, you can go to unboxed.live or PLUGHITZlive.com/unboxed. For how-tos on our more complicated devices like this, pairing it into the app and things like that, you can go to PLUGHITZlive.com/how-to, or, of course, you can check out our YouTube page at PLUGHITZlive. Wherever you are, we would really appreciate it if you'd hit follow or subscribe, and of course like the video if that is an option. It helps us out more than you know. And with that, until next time, ciao.